Alright, welcome back everyone. Today is finally the day that we start the wide body on the S13. So we just arrived here at Custom Coatings, got it towed here from the storage facility, and we've got most of the parts here. Some of them are just in storage up the road, but we've got the wide fenders from Origin, and we've got the front bumper from KBD, and I'll also talk about everything else that we're going to be doing. Some of it here at Custom Coatings, like painting it, and some of it elsewhere. I'm gonna flock the dash like a rally car, and just some awesome shit, new wheels, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we gotta start by unboxing the over fenders and also the KBD front bumper. The KBD front bumper is actually made out of polyurethane, so it comes in this little box, and then you gotta leave it out in the sun, or in this case we'll probably chuck it in the paint booth, and then over time it'll just sort of grow into normal front bumper size. So super excited to see that, and I've been waiting I think I started ordering all these parts 6 months ago for the car, so super excited to get back into it. Let's have a quick look at what it looks like now. We'll take a few photos and get some video of the car so that we can remember it before it starts its transformation. Alright, so we got all the parts unpacked. The only thing that we don't have is the big 326 spoiler and the roof spoiler and the rear bumper, because those are in storage down the road. But we'll have the wide body all mock-up fitted, and the front bumper as well today. So we just got the front bumper here into the paint booth. We're gonna chuck the heat on, and this should just expand, and then while that's doing that, I'll take the front bumper and the front guards off, and we can fit up all of those. So excited right now.
Big vibes. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in the backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quick to save my peace, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I got a
right, little update. We've got the car fucking completely dismantled. I've been going at this for a few hours now. So we've got the front left guard completely off. That took fucking ages. Had to take both of the side skirts off. We've got this one sort of taped on roughly where it goes. They fit really well, and the quality of the material is super nice. Cannot wait to chuck a fucking fat, I think they're gonna go 18 10.5, nice big deep dish wheel in there. But yeah, the car's fucking completely apart, and the only thing I need to do next to chuck the front fenders on is to take off this guard, which is just this bolt here where the side skirt connects, and then there's two more underneath which I had to hammer off over there, and there's a million stones fell out. But yeah, gotta take this guard off, and then we can put those on. The front bumper, the KBD one, is looking so good. We're just gonna give it maybe another 30 minutes or so in there, and yeah, but fuck, I'll admit it, it's the first time that I have put it this much work into a car. I've done my own oil changes and fixed wheels and painted shit before, but this is taking half the car apart. But it's fucking fun, learning heaps. Grant is teaching me some shit, so I'm gonna keep smashing it out.
To the pledge when I said it, no caps, and I'm better till I see black, and still ride for it on a couple flats. I've been down better, bounce back. Bitch slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap. Been slave to a 9 to 5, now we booming, no stopping the digital trap.
For the slums, I've been on the run. My third eye open, been trying to kill emotion. Yeah, life in the slums. My third eye open.
Okay, we're finally done mocking up the fucking wide body kit on the 13. It looks incredible. It's super, super wide. I love the front bumper and how it's got this big lip here. Really needed that. The arches are fucking huge. We're gonna need some big wheels to go in there. And yeah, it just looks fucking mean. It's like barely on right now. I got a box under that corner and the jack on here. It fits pretty well. It's just like, it's a mess. Side skirt, we're gonna have to chop that up a bit to fit it under here. But fuck, pretty stoked overall. Just gonna pack everything up now and leave the car here for a bit. We might be back soon to take the dash out, and then I'm gonna show you guys hopefully how that gets flocked. Pretty awesome. Super, super stoked of what we've gotten done today. I think I've been here like almost 8 hours now. And yeah, it's just fucking coming together mean, looking good. Let me know what you think down below, and I'll see you next time.